Is your chimney cap in need of a replacement? Chimney caps are vital to your chimney's health and safety, but harsh weather conditions and unwanted pests can cause your chimney cap to fall apart over time. In this video, we'll be discussing the proper way to install a new chimney cap. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Chimney caps help prevent environmental hazards, unwanted pests, debris, and harsh weather elements from entering your chimney. Without a chimney cap, rain, snow, sleet, and hail can enter your chimney and cause damage to your flue and potentially the interior of your home. If you need to replace your chimney cap, we highly recommend hiring a professional chimney sweep to install it for you. Climbing ladders with pieces of equipment can be dangerous and should never be attempted without proper safety equipment. But whether you're hiring a professional or are properly equipped to do it yourself, these are the specific steps you need to follow in order to ensure proper installation. Step 1. Measurement. You should always measure your chimney's crown before purchasing a new chimney cap. While the standard flue sizes are 9x9, 13x9, and 13x13, you should never assume you know the correct size. It's always better to measure twice and order your chimney cap once. For circular flues, you need to measure the diameter. This is easily accomplished by simply wrapping your measuring tape around the exterior of the flue to find the circumference. You can then divide that number by pi or use the circumference to diameter calculator link located in the description below. Step 2. Order and install. Once you have the proper measurement of your chimney's flue, it's time to order your chimney cap. When doing so, we highly recommend you purchase one made of galvanized steel. This will ensure your chimney cap can withstand harsh weather conditions and last for a longer period of time. Once your chimney cap has arrived, you simply slip the new chimney cap over your flue and begin tightening the screws at the base of the cap. Step 3. Sealant. Now that your chimney cap is secure, you'll need to apply a silicone sealant using a caulk gun. The sealant should be applied in a 1-inch wavy line around the crown. Once the sealant has dried, your chimney will be protected against outside moisture for approximately 15 to 20 years. It's important to know, even though the sealant will look white when it's applied, the sealant will be clear once it has dried. Now that you know how to safely install a new chimney cap, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your appointment today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.